Carry on, my general. Carry on.
I intend.
Quick.
I know I'm tired. Today was a good look. Thank you for that.
Yeah, man, the general. So,
Yeah,
King,
man.
where all of that from?
Well, him said come for clear the air because he may send him a call up round here. Say I must send police to disrupt the community and the events we are going on, you see?
King, man, different still, you know, I
Yeah.
could trust a police boy there, you know. And big man thing, me hear that of them attack, and I feel like I am do it, you know.
Well, to tell you the truth, the savage way I know, I don't feel him style that. He's a brother with very direct. Grimy, yes, but very direct.
You trust him in a King, man, but me not trust him none at all. You see me? What day me and him have a little run in because I'm a cousin. I feel like saying me do them something, I forget back a little payback for man, you see it?
Well, if that's how you feel, I can't beat you on that. But speaking of your cousin, you know I go down in business establishment the other day. I never really see him, but I meet up with a young lady down there, in business partner. Very bright young lady and very business-like. And I think is the right person for my project. So you can consider that one sealed and signed.
Don't know, no respect in my general.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I rate that. So any strength I can give him, I appreciate that, you see me, because I can give him a strength likewise, you see me.
See.
With my beer service thing, when I run off, you see me.
Ah.
Yeah, so your thing, we can finalize that now. You don't know.
Well, consider it finalized. You see? Yeah, man.
But anyway, it's still not king, man. I said to me that Saturday going there, make a walk. You see me? Me link you.
Oh, hold on, Charge. There's another couple of points I need for reason there about you. But I don't think out just so proper.
Alright, fine, come on.
Tonian, what go on? Almost night now. We say you not come back. You get caught up on the road, say you want me at the shop. Alright, me not no problem, but you know, just communicate. Me know you're busy and me busy also, alright? Christy, what go on?
I'm here to pay my bills, sir.
Oh, yeah. How will you take again?
I took 3 large food, a Gatorade, and a water.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so let me just calculate that. That's 2,700. But like how you make a discount, they can give me 2,500.
Okay, then you know, always come back here. Here you go.
Thank you very much, Christy. And come back again every day.
Oh, Kareem, I must tell you, the food was so delicious.